Hey everybody, I have this dehumidifier in my beach house and I had a couple people ask me how loud it is. So I'm going to be quiet for a few minutes and you can see exactly how loud it is. You hear that little hum? That's exactly what the dehumidifier is. So it literally is so quiet I barely even notice it, which is what I absolutely love. If I turn it higher up, it does get a little louder, but on low, you can barely even hear it. So it works great for our family. And if I want to run it on high, I just run it at night, and my kids actually sleep better to it. So it's a great option if you're looking for something that is low noise and really doesn't affect your daily life.